Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the tools and permissions you need now. Install an FPS Monitor app or open developer options and enable show refresh rate or profiling. Make sure you close background apps and set the phone to high-performance power mode so results aren't throttled. Grant overlay and screen record permissions to capture the FPS readout. Once done, restart the FPS tool and the target app or game so readings begin from a clean state, avoiding cached processes that skew numbers. Now you run the measurement with consistent conditions. Launch the same scene or benchmark run every time and use the FPS tool to record for a set duration, like 60 seconds, to capture typical behavior. Make sure resolution and refresh rate are fixed in the app or game settings so you compare apples to apples. If available, log min, average, and max FPS. These give you insight into stability versus peak performance. While recording, avoid other tasks or notifications that cause spikes. Finish by interpreting results and iterating improvements. You compare min, average, and max FPS against your target like 30 or 60 FPS. The average shows typical playability while the min reveals stutters. If FPS is low, update the OS and app, clear cache, lower graphics quality, cap frame rate, or enable cooling measures to reduce thermal throttling. Make one change at a time, rerun the same 60-second test, and record results so you know which change helped. If
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.